Hi guys, my name is Scorpio. Today I'll be showing my 4GameTech Birch tree farm I designed a while ago. The farm is really compact and pretty lag friendly because it uses no zero ticks and it uses withers to process the logs instead of TNT duping. Let's first talk about how to build and use the farm. When you're building the farm, you might notice that there are some hopper minecarts in the farm that you'll need to place down. First is the cart in the core. Simply place down any rail, place down a cart, and remove the rail. Same for those in the wither cages, except for these you'll also need to push down a fence into the hopper cart like this. The fences are to keep the withers in place. Finally, for those in the bone meal box unloaders, you'll need to first place down the activated rails like so, then put down the carts and push them against some fences. Now finally, pushing the observers into place. To summon the withers, place down soul sands as shown in the video to make sure they're in the correct position. Before using the farm, make sure you have shulker boxes filled with bone meal ready in a chest for the bone meal unloaders. To use the farm, you'll need to turn on a lever and stand on top of the trapdoors. Then you'll need to sneak and press against the dispensers to plant down the saplings. Now getting to the explanation of the farm, I'll first talk about the layout I'm using. It's called an ABBA layout, which is using a log being shuffled back and forth to push out the trees grown. The pistons are powered by observers with alternating orders. One will retract earlier than the other every cycle. The observers' orders are controlled with rails getting powered from different ends for different update orders. In short, when rails change state, they'll update from the furthest to the nearest. Another interesting contraption used in this farm is this 4 to 8 GameTech splitter. When piston pushes a column of block, the furthest one will arrive first. So, when the blocks move up, the higher one arrives first in a talenity phase, QC powering the lower piston. The lower block then arrives and updates the lower piston to extend in the next game tick. In the next game tick, the observer lights up, QC powering the higher piston but without updating it. The lower piston then extends, updating the higher piston to extend as well. When the higher piston extends, it'll remove the logs that is QC powering the lower piston, so the lower piston will retract in the same game tick it extends. That's all for today's video. Big thanks to Lollo for helping me debugging the farm, as well as everyone who helped me in the Tree Huggers Discord. Also big thanks to Mystery XY for editing the cinematic of the video. Be sure to check out their channel linked in the description. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.